In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll walk through how to move from the Squarespace start page into your account dashboard, open your site, enter the editor, add a code block, and paste the snippet you'll use to deliver a lead magnet. I'll explain what you're seeing at each point so the process feels simple and repeatable. Begin on the Squarespace. Create your website page. This is a reliable launch point that works whether you're starting fresh or returning to an existing site. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your regular Squarespace account. Once you're in, look for Account Dashboard. Click it to jump to the hub where all of your sites and subscriptions live. Inside the Account Dashboard, choose Website. This filters your view to the websites associated with your account so you can quickly pick the right one. Click the website you want to update. That opens the site's configuration area, where you can access editing tools and content. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. This is where you actually work on the content visitors will see. Navigate to the specific page and section where you want your lead magnet to appear. Many creators place it near the top of a landing page or at the end of a blog post. Keeping it in a clearly labeled section makes it easier to find and manage later. Now add a new content block. Click Add Block inside the section you selected. The block library will pop up with a search bar at the top. Type Code to quickly find the code block. The code block is ideal for embeds from email service providers, simple HTML forms, or a small script that powers your lead magnet delivery. Select the code block to insert it. You'll see a field where you can paste your code. Paste the snippet you prepared for delivering the lead magnet. This could be an embedded sign-up form, a minimal HTML form that posts to your email platform, or a provider's embed that automatically sends the download link after sign-up. Keep the code clean and avoid including sensitive information like API keys or personal contact details. If your snippet references external scripts, make sure it's from a trusted source and that it aligns with Squarespace's guidelines for code blocks. As you paste, the preview pane will help you confirm layout and basic styling. You can adjust spacing within the section if needed so the block sits comfortably on the page and matches your design. When everything looks right, your page is set up to capture leads and deliver your magnet through the embedded workflow you provided. That's it. Your Squarespace site now has a code-powered lead magnet in place.